Hello friends and followers. Well, I've been trying to take apart this 5.6 megahertz crystal that I've pulled out of the radio here for the counter board, display board for the frequency. So as it turns out, I was trying to pull this thing apart and I heated the thing up and desoldered this little tab here. I tried to get it apart. I couldn't get it apart, but it started to work. So what an adventure. It just fired up. So anyway, I could put it back on the board here and show you what's going on. Here's the board. Put the crystal back in here, one hand. There, it's in. I'm just gonna tack it in with the soldering iron, see if it works. I just ended up resoldering the crystal all around the case, and the little weep hole for the air vent closed that. So it came back to life. Let's see if it is still alive. Anyway, I don't trust the thing, but how are you going to find a 5.6 megahertz crystal? It's really hard. So you always try and fix your crystal if you can. This stuff is unobtainium. There, I've tacked this in just to see if it'll work. And, whoops, still loose. Okay, well, let's see. Throw some solder on there or something. Can't do it one-handed. Looks like it's not loose, no. Not terribly loose. All right, let's see if it works. Power switch on. Power supply on. And look at that. So we got 5.6 megahertz crystal working. And it actually displays something here. So now I gotta align the crystal, make sure it's on 5.6 megahertz. Oh, it repeated. Yeah, it's way off, isn't it? That's crazy. Well, at any rate, I got myself some crystal here going on. I'm wondering if I can get a sense of the frequency of it. I'm trying to log in on my computer here. All right, there's the computer. It's still on 5.6. Damn this thing. Okay. Look at that. Pretty damn close. So I'll try and get that on 5.6 exactly, and whoa, just touch it, it dies. Guess I'll solder it back in and call it a day. Thanks for watching. Have a great one.